How to stop snoring sleep apnea? 10 effects from smoking to snoring and sleep apnea. 1. Current and past smoking is a risk factor for snoring and sleep apnea. 2. People exposed to cigarette smoke, passive smoking, are at risk of snoring and sleep apnea also. 3. Smokers inhale 25% of smoke. 75% of smoke is released into the atmosphere where non-smokers are exposed. 4. Environmental tobacco smoke exposure is an independent risk factor for snoring in children. 5. Nicotine is the most common drug of addiction. Nicotine addiction is not just limited to daytime. Unknown to themselves, as the nicotine disappears from the body's tissues at night, smokers will have disturbed sleep due to their bodies craving for more nicotine. 6. Nicotine is a stimulant and will disrupt your sleep pattern. It suppresses refreshing sleep and increases wakefulness. 7. The effect of nicotine stimulates the nervous system and increases the depth of breathing and raises the blood pressure. 8. There is a dose-response relationship between smoking and snoring, short sleep and poor sleep. The more cigarettes you smoke, the more likely you are to suffer these sleep problems. 9. Cigarette smoke irritates the lining of the nose and throat, causing swelling, congestion and narrowing of the airway. This promotes unhealthy mouth breathing, bad breath, snoring and sleep apnea. 10. Smoking also increases the likelihood of chest and respiratory infections, and diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, COPD, bronchial asthma, digestive diseases and cancer. Do you suffer any symptoms of snore and sleep apnea? How to cure it naturally? I would recommend a natural exercises treatment to help you stop the snoring and sleep apnea quickly. Do you want to take 3 minutes exercises a day to eliminate your snoring permanently? Just try it today by visit the link, https://snore-sleepapnea.healyourpain247.com.